quiet that one is compared to this one. All right, you ready? Mark, get set, go. Hey guys, welcome to CKC Garage, and today's video we're unboxing a scooter. A company called Macwheels reached out to us and they said, hey, would you like to try out this product that we're going to be releasing soon? So this is not even on the market yet. It's going to hit Amazon in about a month. So I did a little bit of research. The company called Macwheels, they make high-end kind of adult scooters, and this is for kids. It says that it's for 8+. It has a weight limit of 135 pounds, so this 11-year-old can't wait. And when I told him this isn't even on the market yet, he kind of went crazy. So from the box here, because there's no information because it's not available, it's got adjustable height, it's got LEDs on the deck, it's got a throttle and speed lever, battery lever, it says lever display, but I think they meant battery level, typo there, and folding mechanism. So we got it pretty quick from them. There is a little bit of damage from them, and it's a pet peeve of mine that people leave negative reviews because FedEx damages a box. It's nothing to do with the product, so hopefully it's not damaged. But without further ado, we're gonna bust this thing open. All right, so it says that it weighs 15 pounds. Let's slide her out. And like I said, I don't know if this is lithium batteries. Good catch, dude. Dude. All right, let's get some of this packaging stuff away. All right. Now, I don't know if you guys noticed, but in the front we have a Razor scooter. I think it's like the PE Power Core 100 or something like that. It's a little bit of a push scooter, so we're going to compare it to that. All right. Oh, we're going to need some cutters here. So, it looks like there's a little bit of assembly required. You just got to take the handlebar Allen head off and put this in there. So, what comes in the bag that I almost threw? So, we've got a charging cord. Let's find out what kind of voltage we got.
You got a tool?
So it says output 25.2 volts at 1/2 an amp. So it's got a little LED indicator on there. One of the first things we're going to do is throw it on the charger and get it at full capacity. So give us a minute and we're going to put this handlebar on. So it looks like you push this.
I might use this.
Ta-da! Bam! So yeah, give us a minute. We're going to put this together. Oh, it even comes with the Allen. We'll do this real time. It's got a little kickstand here. Looks of it, what do you think, dude? I like that it's got solid rubber tires. Unlike the Razor, it's got a pneumatic one. And if you guys don't have an air compressor, that tire goes flat or you can get a puncture in it. It's kind of one of the negatives. But it's a slick looking little scooter. Yeah. Okay, so assembly was really easy. There's no difficulty to it. It's literally a hole through the handlebar, so you take the clamp off, put it on, and clamp it down with the provided Allen wrench, and you're good to go. It's got a height level indicator here that actually engages. And then if you want to keep going up, you got to push this little spring here. You can't see it probably from there, but how tall are you? We'll probably go down one to the middle. It's got 3 different height adjustments. And I always go through and I'm just going to check, make sure all the clamps and stuff are tight. You know, yeah. All right, well, we're going to get this charged up and we're going to get back to the video. All right, so we got the charging cord out, and you know me, I'm pretty honest in my opinion. I wish that the charging cord was a little bit longer. What you're probably going to need is an outlet that's really close or an extension cord. But yeah, here's where you charge it. Just show them where that is. You can see the little charging insignia there. You just pull that little waterproof cover, plug it in, and the LED light is going to be red and it turns green. Let's hope that this has a circuit board in it and it senses when that battery pack isn't fully charged, and that way it won't damage the battery, unlike like a stock Power Wheels charger will actually damage it because it's a transformer and it doesn't stop charging. So we did read the manual a little bit. So very much like the competition here, this Razor 100, it is a push scooter. So when you turn it on, and we'll go through all that, you actually have to hold it down for a couple seconds, and then it's a push, it's a kickstart, so you have to be going 3 miles an hour. So some other stuff that was in the box was a warranty card from Macwheels. It looks like you have 180-day warranty. I don't know if that's focusing or not. The owner's manual is pretty well. There's pretty well self-explanatory. It tells you how to unpack it and where all the things are, the charge port. It's got a thumb throttle. I really like that it's a solid rubber tire, because I can't tell you how many tires and tubes I've had to change because they go flat or the kids run over a nail or something. The folding up mechanism is very easy to operate. The brake, this is unique because on the Razor, it's actually got a front disc or front caliper brake or cantilever brake. This is actually just like, what has these? It's got, show them the brake. So that is the brake. That's as easy as it gets. Oh, some scooters, like Razor push scooters have those kind of brakes, right? Scooters. Yeah. It's actually got a hub motor, so I'm thinking that that is brushless. It's got the little kickstand and the lights. The lights are so cool, which brings us, show them how to do that. So right here you got 2 buttons, pretty basic. This one you hold down for 2 seconds, 1001, 1002, and it comes up the display. It tells you your miles per hour. It tells you your battery level, which it's blinking because it's being charged. And what I didn't see in the manual at first, because I was so excited, what the heck this E was. I thought it was empty. Well, what you do is once it's on, you press this and it goes to normal, and then sport mode. You see the S? That is the highest performance tune that you can put in this thing. So that's pretty cool. I think it's 8 miles an hour max or something like that. I can't remember. Show them how you change them. It's the little button right next to it, right? So you go through, scroll through. You can hear it beeps whenever he changes selections. Got RGB, the multicolor, red, green, blue. So it's got solids. It's got like a flashing mode. There's a solid. I think that is so cool. And I think this is a little bit of a safety thing too. Maybe, you know, at dusk when mom calls you and you got to get home for dinner, you know, drivers can see you a little bit better, but definitely not recommended for driving at night. But the Razor has nothing like that. This has reflectors. It's got a rear brake instead of a front brake, so you're not going to wash out in sand. So far, I am loving this thing.
It's full charged.
It's not charging, son, right now. But it does have 4 bars. He is jonesing to get out and drive this thing. Now, I wonder if you can shut the lights off. Yep, you just hold a long press, shuts them off. Looks like 2 seconds, turns them on. So go ahead and plug that charger back in, and we'll be back with the test drive. right, guys, we just got done with our test drive of the E9 Pro made by Macwheels, and I got to tell you, it's a pretty sweet little machine. So this is our final kind of words on it. It is a nice little unit. It's got a brushless hub motor. It's got lithium-ion batteries. It's got a built-in charge port, and everything is up high. I like that. Like the Razor one that I'm comparing it to, it doesn't even compare. It's kind of like ancient, and you got to look down below, and you got the on-off switch down here, and you always forget about it and leave it on. This actually has a speedometer, a battery gauge. It's got built-in lights. I mean, that's so cool. The only critique that I have is the supplied charge cord is literally 32 inches shorter than a Razor scooter, and I mentioned that earlier. Just because if you don't have a plug that's real close, it's kind of a pain in the butt. You got to get an extension cord. But that is so minor, guys. This is a great little unit. Look for it on Amazon. We're going to have the link in the description below, and we're going to finish this video up by saying if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and check out the rest of the video for the night riding with the lights on. All right, guys, thanks for watching. So what do you say to Macwheels for sending us this awesome scooter?
Thank you.
Yeah, that thing's pretty rad. Do you guys want to do some more videos like this?
Yeah, subscribing to our channel is the best way you can help us out. So go check our channel out and subscribe right now.
Cool. I don't know what to say. Get in here.
What was that?
Kinda. You ready?
Yep.
All right.
There.
Okay, we're gonna do a little race here between the Macwheels and the Razor. We fixed the battery wire that came off. On your mark, get set, go! Looks like it's a neck and neck race. Oh, Zach took the inside line. No, he didn't. He went all the way around the trailer. Don't know what he was thinking there. And the Razor takes it by a nose because the kid...
You have to go around it.
Oh.
You said to go around it.
I didn't say go around trailer, but... Alright, I guess we're gonna have to redo this. Alright, this is race number 2 because Zachman didn't know the actual turnaround. He went the long way. Guys, ready? Racers on your mark, get set, go! You can hear the Razor and you can see the Macwheels. Macwheels took them by at least 20 scooter lengths. Cheater.
Pop wheelies.
That thing is so quiet and smooth. All right, we got to end this. I feel sprinkles coming.
Buy the scooter right now.
Hey, what do you say to Macwheels for sending us to that scooter?
Thank you.
That's pretty sweet, man.